Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have completed one first lesson, and the second lesson is search. Okay. Our second lesson is search. Okay. We know that root 4, root 9, root 4 equal to 2, root 9 equal to 3. These are exact values and rational numbers. And root 2 equal to 1.414, so root 3 equal to 1.732, so on. These are not exact. 2, 3 are exact values and rational numbers. Not exact values, and irrational numbers. So these are called search. Root 4 equal to 2, root 9 equal to 3. These are exact values and rational. These are not search. Observe root 2, we know that 1.414, root 3 equal to 1.732. Okay, we have already known about it, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Which numbers can be written in the form of P by Q or rational numbers? Which numbers cannot be written in the form of P by Q or called irrational numbers? So these are the searches. And searches are irrational root of a rational numbers. Irrational root means this is irrational root. Irrational root of a rational 2, 3 or rational numbers. This is irrational root. It is also irrational root. Now, the definition of nth root of A. This is radicand. A is called radicand. This is index. This is radical symbol. And this is nth root of A. The total one is radical. Surds are nothing but radical. In nth root of a, this is a is called in nth root of a is called radicand, n is called index or order of the cell, and this is radical symbol, and nth root of a surd are radical. Understand? Okay. In nth root of a, this is radicand. What is a? Radicand. This is index. Nth root of a is called radical or surd, and in nth root of a is called radicand, n is index or order of the surd. This is the symbol, radical symbol. Nth root of a is surd or radical. Right? For example, fourth root of 11. Fourth root of 11. This is called radicand, radicals, index or order of surd, radical symbol, this is radical. So fourth root of 11 is a surd or radical. Okay. For example, root 4 value 2, root 9 value 3. So we got rational numbers. That's why these are not surds. And root 2, root 3, root value 1.414, so on. 1.73 to so on. These are not rational numbers, irrational numbers. That's why root 2 and root 3 are surds. Irrational root of a rational number is called surd. Okay. Okay. Next one. If nth root of a is third, what is the conditions? A is positive rational number, and A is greater than 1, and nth root of A if nth root of A is third, if nth root of A is third, A is positive rational number and n is greater than 1, and nth root of A is irrational number that are third. Okay. Now, examples: root 2, root 3, cube root of 2, cube root of 5, fourth root of 11 are called surds, and okay, for example cube root of 8 is cube root of A is cube root of A third, is cube root of A third. Okay, in cube root of 8 it is written as cube root of 8 is written 2 cube, that means 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. Cube root of 8 equal to cube root of 2 cube whole cube equal to 3 cancel, 2 came. So cube root of 8 equal to 2. So that's why, so this is a rational number, exact and rational number. And one more example. So cube root of 8 is not a sub, and also and one more problem. Fifth root of fourth root of cube root of 64, cube root of 64 is is cube root of 64 is cube root of 64, sir? Cube root of 64 equal to cube root of 64 is written as 4 cube. 4 cube, 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 4 fours are 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 6 fours are 24, 64. That means cube root of whole power 1 by 3. That means 3 cancel, that means 4. What formula we have to use here? Cube root of nth root of a equal to a power 1 by n. So write down here. Otherwise, nth root of a equal to a power 1 by n. A power 1 by n. Nth root of a equal to a power 1 by n. Nth root of a equal to a power 1 by n. Okay. Is cube root of 64. Cube root of 64. This is 4. This is rational number. Rational number. So that's why cube root of 64 is not a surd. Is not a surd. Understand? Root 2, root 3, cube root of 2, cube root of 5 and fourth root of 11 are surds or radicals. And for example, is cube root of 8 surd? Cube root of 8 equal to cube root of 2 cube. 2 power cube, 3 cancel 2. Rational. So cube root of it is not a surd. Understand? Right. And okay. So we have here some types of surds. What are those? First one, quadratic surds. Quadratic surd and biquadratic or cubic surd, and third one biquadratic surd. We have 2-3 types of surds. Quadratic surd. Quadratic means square. Quadratic surd, cubic surd, and biquadratic surd. Okay. In this quadratic means the nth root, the order of the surd is 2. That is called quadratic surd. If the order of the surd is 3, that is called cubic surd. The order of the surd is 4, that is called biquadratic surds. Quadratic surds, cubic surds, and biquadratic surds. Okay. Types of the surd. Quadratic surds. What is the? If order of the surd is 2, that are quadratic surds. If the order of the surd is 3, that is nth. For example, what are the examples of the quadratic surds, root 2, root 3. So, look at both are same. Quadratic surd, second order of 2. This is so we can imagine 2. This is only, we need not to write 2. You need not to write 2. Second order 2 equal to root 2 and second order 3 equal to root 3. Both are same, both are equal. So, if the order, what is the order of the surd? 2. What is the order of the here? 2. It is also 2. So, we have to imagine 1. What is the order of the surd? 2. What is the order of the surd here? 2. So, these are the quadratic surds. You can write root 2, root 3, root 5. And cubic surds, you can write cube root of 2, cube root of 5, cube root of 6, cube root of 10. These are the cubic surds. And biquadratic surds means, for example, 4th root of 11, 4th root of 13, 4th root of 15. These are the biquadratic surds. So, if the order of the surd is 2, that is called quadratic surds. If the order of the surd is 3, that is the cubic surds. If the order of the surd 4 is the biquadratic surds. These are the examples and we have to write tomorrow.